Okay, we have successfully installed Pycharm Community Edition. Now it's time to reboot the setup because first time we have installed and set up the path, and so you have to reboot the PC first to start working with Pycharm. So I'm going to reboot it first, and I will come after rebooting the PC. So I'm back again after rebooting the PC. Now I'm going to open the Pycharm Community Edition. Okay, it's gonna take some time for the first time. Okay, these are nothing but my previous projects that I worked on. Now I'm going to do some customization. Okay, I'm going to setting part to do some customization. Just click the setting part, and from the setting appearance and behavior, I'm going to click the appearance, and over here I'm just clicking one dark theme, one dark vivid italic. This one is okay, I guess. And from file colors, I'm gonna give it yellow as well, and okay. And now I am going to start a new project at Practice, and over here we're going to select our interpreter as this one base interpreter, and over here we are selecting virtual inf, and we're going to create existing in this window. So it's creating a new virtual environment for us. Just give it a couple of seconds because we're doing this for the first time, so it's gonna take some time for the first time. Just be patient. And so we're going to create a new Python file over here, and give it as just check. Okay, we're just going to write a simple Python code, like just to check our ID. Now I'm going to run this code. Okay. Let's check if our ID is working fine or not. Okay, we got the output over here, as you can see, saying 6. So 5 plus 6, 5 plus 1 is 6. So the ID is working fine. So we have successfully installed an IDE to write and execute our code. So we'll start writing code in the next video. So see you in the next video. Thank you, everyone.